and wonderful skin is one of the principal components of a person's marvel. Sound skin causes you feel lovely also. Your skin-mind regimen and way of life propensities are the essential indicators of your skin's well-being. A portion of the main factors that incur significant injury on the quality and surface of your skin are pressure, absence of rest, poor nourishment, contamination, harm from the sun's bright beams, exorbitant smoking, and drinking liquor. There are a large number of skin and excellence mind items that guarantee to give you clear and shining skin. Rather than depending on these items, you can attempt some straightforward and simple home solutions for enhance the general well-being and appearance of your skin. 1. Lemon. Lemon is a standout amongst other fixings that you can use to advance clear skin. The citrus extract exhibit in lemon helps keep the skin clear and its vitamin C content diminishes dim spots. Apply crisp pressed lemon juice to your whole face and neck. Abandon it on for 10 minutes and after that wash it off with tepid water. After this, rub cucumber cuts on your skin to mellow and saturate it. Do this day by day or each other day. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is an astounding germicide and skin-helping specialist that limits scars and different imprints. Influence a glue by blending square with measures of turmeric to powder and gram flour with a little water or drain. Apply it equally on your skin and abandon it on until the point when it dries. Wash it off with tepid water, scouring your skin delicately in a roundabout movement. Take after this cure once 7 days to help your skin tone and evacuate scars. 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has numerous advantages for the skin. It has antibacterial properties that assistance eliminate microbes that reason skin breakout, and can likewise calm chafed skin and mend scars. It's additionally an awesome regular skin lotion. Concentrate the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply the gel all over utilizing a cotton ball. Enable it to dry without anyone else for about 30 minutes, and after that flush it off with tepid water. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda adjusts pH levels of the skin, which is essential to keep up clear skin. Also, it manages issues like skin breakout, pimples and spots. It likewise fills in as an incredible peeling operator. Blend 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice to make a glue. Rinse your face and utilize the glue to delicately peel the skin. 5. Cucumber. Cucumbers contain hydrating, supporting, and astringent properties that are useful for skin. They can enhance the general appearance of your skin, including a new gleam. Cut a new cucumber into thick cuts, and rub them completely everywhere all over. Abandon it on overnight and wash with warm water toward the beginning of the day. Do this day by day before going to bed. 6. Mint. The primary fixing in mint is menthol, which has cooling and calming properties that assistance keep the skin solid and sparkling. Additionally, it has brilliant mending properties that assistance fend off skin diseases. Put 1 teaspoon of mint powder and 1 tablespoon every one of plain yogurt and Fuller's earth in a bowl. Put it aside for 30 minutes. At that point mix to get a smooth glue. Apply the blend all over and neck. Abandon it on until the point that it dries normally. Take after this tips and utilize your preferred home cures regularly, so you can see the outcomes.